Hello and welcome. It's match day 14. We've got the RX20 S2 suppressor up against the Beeman Baycat. Both guns doing really well. Both guns to continue need a win. So, could be an interesting one this. Let's get them out there. Each round one, Baycat. The Stoeger to go first. Nice start. I don't think that one went up, so can't count that one. And you hit the reset for a nice 4. Misses the reset, scores 3. Baycat to come in. First shot will be tried to hit the reset. I'm really feeling the effects today with my arthritis, so I'm not walking up to reset, it's too much. I'm going to have to anyway because it's 1 minute. Baycat round. Misses number 3. I think what does this gun is it's hard to pull the trigger on, and when you pull it you do snatch it sometimes. Right, he's got the 3. It's the reset to take it. And now it's going to be a draw, so all on as even after round 1. All on as even last round. Let's have a see what we can do in round 2. Stoeger in first. The duck hunt. That must have hit because it released the other one, so that's 2. That didn't. So 2 so far. 3. Can he hit the reset for a 4? Can indeed, yeah. That's a good 4. And the Baycat's in. 4 to beat. Ooh. Miss number one, can't afford to miss another. And that didn't go, so yeah. Round 2 goes to the Stoeger. It's rounds 3 and 4, seated. Stoeger to go first, 5 to centre target. Stoeger will be in the card on our left, the black one. Five all in the black. Always sets an high standard if you can get the 5 in the black. So, Baycat, what can you do? Well, there's a black to start with. I think that's going in exactly the same hole. Well, if this one gets in the black, we know we've got a very close one on our hands and one that will have to be counted. And it does. So, that's going to be very close as we move into round 4. Stoeger to go first, corner targets. Left the door open there for the Baycat to take the first one, I would have said. Ooh. Only just the Baycat takes that. Okay. Now, the Stoeger wants to stay in this game, it needs to do a little bit better than that. That's not saying it's not won the third one, we don't know yet. A bit better. It's 1-1. Beeman suddenly shooting high by the looks. We'll have to have a look at that later. Another good one there from the Stoeger. Yep, gone high again. Right, we'll get the cards in, see what's going on. Well, what a tight game again that was. Please take no note of this last card here where there's a few in high, because the Baycat shot rather high with its last shot. I had a couple of goes at tuning it back in, it seemed to have lost its centre. But as you can see by the middle amount there, I counted them up, the RX20 just won by 2 points in round 3, so it took round 3, and obviously round 4 the Baycat took the first one due to the RX20 being high, but then as you can see the Baycat continued to go high, so obviously the RX20 won that as well, which would mean today the RX20 wins the game today. So congratulations to the RX20, I'll update the league and I'll speak to you soon.